Hey there, I'm Phil Thompson with StreamingChurch.tv. Pastor, your sermons are a valuable resource, but as you know, they can be very time consuming to create and deliver. And then once you've given them, then what? Well, that's where AI comes in. AI can help you repurpose your sermons into a variety of different tools that can reach many more people and help you share your message in new and innovative ways. We've got a free webinar coming up. It's called Repurposing Your Sermons. And we're going to teach you how you can use AI to create Bible studies, blog posts, Alexa flash briefings, social media posts, email newsletters, and really much more. We're going to share tips on how you can use these tools to promote your ministry and reach a wider audience. And it all happens November 14th at 12 noon Eastern Time. It's free, so reserve your seat now, register for our free webinar today, and learn how you can use AI to get more out of your sermons. Just go to webinar.streamingchurch.tv and reserve your seat today.